Hey there guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we saw the int function. Int function returns an integer object from any number or string. We saw that we can pass any number or valid string in int function and it will convert it to integer. Int actually takes two parameters. These are, the first parameter is any number or string to be converted to int, and the second parameter is base. The default value of first parameter is 0 and that of base is 10. This means that if we don't provide any argument, then the default value which will return will be 0. And if we don't specify second argument, then the number which is to be converted into int will be converted into decimal integer. For example, in c.py, when we pass 12 in string, this 12 is treated as of decimal integer and not any other integer like binary or octal. Okay, so both of these arguments are optional. If we provide base argument, then the string is treated of that given base. Means if we pass base as 2, the value in the first argument will be treated as binary value, and then that binary is converted to decimal integer, and in the number we have to pass binary digits only in this case. And suppose if we provide base equal to 8, then the number string should contains octal digits only, and then this int function will convert octal to decimal, right? Let's see with the help of example. Making new example f.py x equal to int, and let's pass octal value. Octal's range is 0 to 7, so we can pass any number in this range only. Let's pass 17, and base is equal to 8, so int 17, 8. And remember, when we pass base argument, the number should be strictly of string type. So we'll wrap this 17 in string and print x. Now running f.py, see 17 in octal is 15 in decimal. Okay, let's check for some more values. X is equal to int string 101, 2. So 101 in binary represents 5 in decimal. So let's see, running f.py, see 5. Okay, now x is equal to int f, 16. This is hexadecimal notation. F in hexadecimal represents 15 in decimal. So let's check, running f.py, see we are getting 15. Okay, so using int function we can convert number from any base to base 10, and as per the documentation, int can convert strings in any base from 2 up to 36. Okay, so that's it for this video. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.